How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change OSU menu background picture. So the first thing that you want to do is to locate your OSU shortcut, and then you want to click on the open file location. Now, if you cannot see it on your desktop, you also want to simply search for it and then click open file location. Inside this page, do the same thing. And then what you want to do is to go ahead and look for a specific folder called skin. So most likely it's going to be inside current. And then in here we have the skins folder, and there's going to be the menu background. So what you want to do is to go ahead and delete this. And then when you replace the image, you just want to insert the word right here, menu-background. And then before you open up OSU, you want to make sure that everything is actually closed out. And then from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.